You all right? You got some, this paint is wiping off crazy on these bunkers, bro. That was pretty all right. How'd you feel from the Aztec?
It was good.
Okay.
That's the thing. You better get me out for real. That was
You are crazy, bro.
I know I'm terrible. I ain't shit. I know.
That's funny as hell.
I know this. Get me out my bunker, motherfucker.
After I get set up. That's funny as hell.
Shit. But, shit, same thing?
Same thing, man. Unless you want to switch sides.
It's okay.
Yeah, why not? Let's learn to play both sides, all right?
Okay, all right. Where'd you go?
All right, I just hopped up Dorito, got to D3.
All right.
Touch up.
He's out! Kill home! They're both on 6 side! Check snake! Middle brick! Middle brick! Wait! Hey, they're on me! They're on me!
What is that?
Hey, they're Aztec, they're Temple! They're Temple! Middle, Leon, middle! Yeah, hit! He's out! Leon, you out? What up?
You gotta hit me right there?
Ooh, God, yeah. You're gonna have a nice little one when you go home.
I already know.
That's what it feels like.
When it start to sing, right?
If I was you, if I was playing that, cut because you have 3 of these massive bricks right here. He can't see. That was my plan. If he's gunning with you off of this, right? And even if you're at this camp, so if you look.
Look at Coach Marcelo out here. Look at Coach Marcelo.
If you get to that way,
Ooh.
he's still
Ooh.
there.
Ooh.
I got tighter, bro.
Yeah. Yes, that's the biggest thing.
Hits on the elbow, like.
Oh, he got you on the elbow?
I can't be going out like that.
I am not liking this Temple at all.
Yeah.
Dangerous play.
It's kind of iffy.
If anything, I'd rather just move up into the snake. I got a little bit of air. Silhouette looking nice.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Hold up. Wait a second. Wait.
Touch up.
Okay. Fine, cool, whatever. Hey, in that Dorito! Home! Where's he at? Leon, where's he at? Brick! Leon can't move! Left, Dorito's not out, Leon!
shoot the inside. That's it. So
Hey, appreciate you.
You know that whole side of the field is safe because you killed him. So instead of
I thought the count was 2-1.
Huh?
Did it break right here?
Yeah, right.
This shit hit the vest.
Yeah,
You can't feel it.
it's all right.
That's why I was like,
and he was loading. It's much easier to see when you're watching than it is to actually do when you're playing. But that was a really smart move. 100%.
Hey, we just
Push.
You want to push up the Dorito side, trick them out a little bit?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna hit this wedge,
Okay.
and I'll look right, you look left, and we just push.
All right.
All right.
Lovely. Yeah, let's hit it.
You ready?
Hey, Leon, coming up, brick. Hit, hopper, hit. Hey, don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback.
That felt good. It was with my ass.
There you go. Getting back into practice, right? Just get it all out by Sunday. Hey, good shooting, bro. That was a good shot. Got me right up in that hopper, man. You said we jump you? Saw you out there camping out. He was like, let's go get him. Is Speedball still playing?
Yeah, we're still down.
If they give us a second, I'll load up and come out.
I was like, my nigga like they both
Alright. But you held your ground though. You was like, you lasted, man.
Where you going? I need to catch a break. Fuck that. Oh, man, I couldn't see you, bro.
Were you in the 50?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, you ran right past us. I was like, okay.
That's what I was trying to tell you, because it was like...
Honestly, in a real game, so if you get past us, nobody sees you, you can just run straight and touch home, you win.
Okay.
That's an instant win game.
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense when I be watching the videos.
Yeah, you gotta touch. The main point, killing everybody is part of it, but like, you just want to get to the home base.
Look, I knew I can do that, but I just didn't want to do it because we was playing this, so I didn't know.
It's all good. Hey, I got a couple. How many did you have? What's up? Nah, we'll come back out. Y'all playing Speedball? Yeah, we gotta go quick.
Right grip.
Oh, we're... yeah.